So, good day, everyone. I am Erwin Bernard Talento, and we are here again today, going to do an activity that was tasked to us to do. So, this is what we call a special cam, and this is what it looks like. So, without further ado, um, let us read it. So, the first one I will be doing is creating a box. So, I will call polyline 4 6.5, 4.25, 0.5, and close. And is it correct? Yes. So we'll be calling center line. Select this two line. There you have it. We'll be changing the color of this. Just double click. Uh, Color magenta. We will now be calling for an ellipse. So select the two endpoints first and the radius. Okay. So as we have created the ellipse, you can now delete guide and check it. Let us go the dimension 6.5. That's how we estimated it. Another one. Um, Here, okay, 4.25 in the figure. Now we'll be creating the um, left part of this ellipse. We will first create a dimension, which is here, the distance of 1.5, which will serve as our guide here later on. So we'll just extend this here. And this is the center for our circle. So we'll be creating a circle with a diameter of 2.76. Um, D for diameter with 2.76. So as we have created it, we'll now make a 1, 2, 3, 4 hexagon. So we'll call polygon 6. Center. Oh no, before that we will be creating a line. As a guide. Um, 0.875 and polygon 6. Let's put it inside. Describe this. Ano. There you go. Delete the guide. And so in order to be sure we'll be creating a dimension, we should have a measurement of 1.75 here, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, you can see 1.75. Then beam diameter for the 2.76. So 3.5. Now we'll be making the right circle. So we'll be creating a dimension of 0.75. 0.75. Up here and circle. So we'll be making two circles here. So first circle with a measurement of 0.625. 625. Ah no, I'm wrong. a circle with a diameter of 0.625. Diameter D 0.625. Another circle, size of that. So now that we have created the right part of circle, we'll be creating a part here. So it's just simple by using an arc, start and radius. So we'll be plotting it here and here with the radius of 3.62. 3.62. Also to the other side, um, this, this, oh, this, this, 3.62 again, 3.62. Oh, 3.62. There you have it. And let's fill it. F, R, the point 5 for this part. Repeat it. And as for the radius here, it should be um, 0.25 FR 0.25, this and this. Repeat it. As you can see, and we will be just trimming some parts of the circle with this. Now put some dimensions. Dimension of radius. It should be 0.25. Uh, and another one. Beam radius 0.5 and a radius of 3.62. Radius. And there you have it. So this is a simple special account and a very easy activity to do. So I hope that you have learned something by just simply watching this, and thank you for um, taking up your time in watching this.